Well, it's a cute and easy way to give a Valentine's Day message a different way. Please welcome in Beth Eaton from the Ruffled Daisy to show us how to make Valentine's Day fortune cookies.
Thank you for having me.
But we can't eat. Can we eat these fortune cookies?
Oh. We're gonna make them out of paper.
All right. Well, what are some fun ways or other ways that we can use these, or how do we get started here first off?
So I do them for Valentine's Day, and that's how I started doing them, just because it's fun and people like getting fortunes. But you can do this for birthday parties, kids' birthday parties. You can do them really for any holiday.
Okay.
Just to make it a little bit different, and you're just gonna change your papers out.
Just change the paper so it
match
doesn't have the Valentine's theme.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about the fortunes first, because you have them on these little pieces of paper right here.
I do.
And of course, we all know the conversation hearts that you get from the candy store. So that's kind of what you got put on there. Yes. And then you have the different fortunes put on there. Where did you get the fortunes from for
So I created those, and if you go to my website, theruffleddaisy.org, you can actually download those for free. So you don't even have to come up with things that you need to put in them. I have done that for you.
A random one today. I just want to let you know that your love is worth a fortune.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. I'm sorry.
All right, so what you need really is a hot glue gun, scrapbook paper, which you can get anywhere. You can get at Walmart, any Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere like that. And you're just gonna wanna make circles. Here, you can do one. Pick whatever color you want.
Oh, I like the buffalo check.
You can use a small plate to trace your circle. You can use a jar, whatever, but you want it to be about 4 inches.
3-4 inches in a circle, okay.
Yeah. So, it's gonna be a little bit tricky, but it's not super hard. So you're gonna go like this, put it in half, okay. And then you're gonna take this part, and you're gonna bend it.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
All right.
And you're gonna bend it.
I got it.
Okay, and before you bend it all the way, you're gonna wanna slide your fortune in there.
I didn't grab a fortune, Beth. There we go.
So we seal it in there.
All right. I didn't see what fortune I put in there, doggone it. Oh well. Okay.
And then fold it.
Fold it all the way.
And then you're just gonna take a tiny bit of hot glue, careful because it's hot.
All right, I'll let you do the dangerous part.
All righty. And then you're gonna seal it shut.
Okay.
I'll hold this one for a second while I do this one.
Oh, look, you can do 2 at one time. How about that?
Yeah.
All right, so besides the hot glue gun, there's really not a tool that you need for this. This is just simple, easy, cutting out some circles, printing out your fortunes, and then putting them in there. Now, how do you
if you don't have a printer at home, you can write little fortunes on pieces of paper for your kiddos or whatever.
Then how do you like to distribute them once you have them all made up?
So I found, they have these little mailboxes every year at the Target Dollar Spot. So they're cute to just kind of, I have a ton of them in there just laying out. You can, if you do like a whole week of birthday or a whole week of Valentine's Day, you can give one to your kiddos each morning.
Yeah, throw one in their lunch or something, have something open up during lunchtime. So
just something different to make it fun.
Awesome, very cool. And then maybe, can do M&Ms go in there at all? Because those are my favorite.
No, but you can have some.
Yes. You know it was going to be a good day today. Also, what are some of these cute little signs over here?
So these are all things that I make on my website. I actually did a live video last night on Facebook showing people how to make this little banner. I do all kinds of DIYs and stuff to decorate your home on a budget.
All right, well, the Ruffled Daisy, we appreciate it. Check it out. This is Beth. Thank you very much. We'll be right back right after this.